Okay, sorry, you guys. I was doing a video. It said there wasn't enough room. It gone crazy, but sorry. I was opening the Shopkins fridge, and then it just cut off on me because I'm not using my phone or anything. So we're gonna have to start again, but I can't open it again. So we're gonna start where we had it. So you can put about 13 in here. About 13 or more. So I have a boot. I have a boot in my fridge. So cool. Um, so let's just slide them in there. We'll just take Buddy Boot out. She doesn't have a fit anyway. Okay, now let's fill up the fridge. So let's get some more. Got another boot for my refrigerator. So we're gonna put the boot in here in the fridge. Now we're gonna put some olive oil in there. Wait, not olive oil. Wait, foil. All foil. All foil inside of the fridge. Just in the first. Okay, let's get all these Shopkins. Okay, and we're gonna keep putting them in. Keep putting them in. I have more gum. Gum in my fridge. How weird is that? Who has gum in their fridge? Who has shoes in the fridge? If you know someone who does, I really need to know. Because that is just cool. So, let's put that backpack in there. Canned beans. Pasta. Get more pasta. We have some. I gotta check something. Am I on picture? Okay. Can you guys tell me if I made part 2? Because it seems like I'm on picture camera. So, I'm not. Okay. So, let's just finish filling our fridge. Wow. Would you guys ever have dishy liquid in your fridge? Juicy orange? No, toasty pie. I'm counting how much. So far, all the ones I could fit in my fridge were 26. 26. So, tell me how much you could fit in your fridge. Got it out, but not pasta out. Okay. So far I got 26. I got a whole nother shelf and half shelf. So, let's still get to it. 6, 2. Okay. 6, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30. Refreshner. Did you have an air freshener in your fridge? asking me so much questions. Okay. Brie Freshener is still going in because she might get rotten food, rotten eggs in there. And might have to clean it all up because it has stinky it is. Okay, let's see who else. Popcorn. No, taking that shot. Wait. $33, $34, $35, $36, 36 Shopkins in so far. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. I can only fit 40. Oh, no, wait. I found one more. Oh, wow. One more thing I didn't fill up. 44. 7. I just pushed it in. All them Shopkins fell. Wow. Just wow. All I can say right now is wow. Got 48 Shopkins in so far. Trash can. And the fridge. Did I say 46? I think it is. So 46 Shopkins in so far. 46. There's 46 in there.